As I'm recording this, the Giants are not getting their butts kicked by the Cowboys. They're winning 3-0, so that's always a good day when that happens. But in all seriousness, we are going to be looking at episode 2 of my branding project for this channel, where we're going over a bunch of different things: logos, type, colors, different combinations of different assets for this channel, all that kind of jazz. So let's get right into it. Okay, so not only did my main recording fail because I forgot to hit record, but also my backup record was recording my desktop of the Giants getting killed. So not in the best mood. But yeah, this is the first episode that I had. We basically discussed a lot about certain text choices, mood board inspirations, and then some of the coloring. And then we came to some conclusions of some different choices we could make and then combinations of color along with the text. And while this was good, I think it needed a little more refined look and overall direction when it came to some of the choices I was making. And this lucky type was chosen. I think it's called... I'm not going to pronounce that. And yeah, we basically went over to here. We got my design work, basically me, the standard black and not so white. So we're going to call this maybe orangish cream, maybe. That's a little disgusting, but yeah, we have a couple different sectors that I really want to go over. We have gaming, technology, and sports. I think these were a lot of my interests are, and I think I can create a lot of different videos covering different aspects of this, both in my own life and other things that I like. I got some reds, some blues, and some greens, and then I think these will represent each of these different categories. Now, the next two are not finalized. I'm still maybe tweaking the color a little bit. I do like some of this vibrant purple that we got, but I'm not so sold on the yellowish orange right here. But yeah, this is just more finalized work of what this basically became, because I want to hone down on some of the different themes and categories I want to cover on this channel. A big component that I really wanted to have was also being able to invert the colors when it comes to the white and whatever color, for like blue, for example. I really wanted to be able to invert them and then it's be legible. That was also a big key for me. Now, this basically turned into some other drafts of the, I don't know about logos, but definitely start of some logos maybe for the channel, at least for the preview picture on the profile picture. Yeah, just working on some different workings of the colors and then seeing what options are available. I did decide a little bit. I'm kind of sold on this one. This is the first one I made. I kind of like having the different colors on the bottom representing different categories of topics on this channel, because I think it's a nice subtle way of seeing what this channel represents. I definitely tried some different other options like no color, putting the bars on the side, don't really like that too much, but I think it's always nice to have different options, seeing what's out there really. So the red, the green, the blue, that's more of the staple, I think, for some of definitely the first three biggest topics in the channel. So maybe I thought about highlighting these three only. Circular thing going on here, just trying to see what options are available, and then also working in some textures, which I'm going to be going on down later in this board, showing off how that could play around with the channel as well. Now, this is like the first logo-ish board, and now here is me taking some of those different colors and concepts and then working into some samples. So my banner does need a redesign. It is a I think bucket of baseballs right now, based on my old YouTube gaming days. So I think I am due for a new one. The type that I chose for my original, we're calling this a logo for now. I wasn't too big of a fan seeing the rest of the letters play out. I think it's fine for just having the initials, but I think having it laid out all like this is a little bit distracting, maybe a little more too. I tried to basically make it a little more legible. And that's really the next few here, a couple, what we're gonna see. And I think some of these might make it out alive. But yeah, I definitely want to try to also get some consistent coloring and branding with some of the color bars at the bottom. I think that could be like a signature of mine probably, but we'll see how it goes. I need some more head bashing at the computer before I make a final decision. But yeah, we have almost like picture in picture really, but yeah, just whenever my camera is in view of footage, I think it'd be cool to have some stylized options when it comes to either having like the colors, for example, and then my name, trying out different backgrounds, whether it be the black or the whites, and then again, just having some different looks. I think it's really cool. I've already started to use this view a little bit, where I basically split the video in half when it comes to viewing something. Here it's going to be probably my next video, I would say, my Clancy breakdown. I'm really looking forward to showing this one off. This was a couple different elements, not too difficult, but I think this was really cool. And it only took me about maybe like a few hours. This was shortly after their album came out. But yeah, maybe trying to play around, maybe some scrolling text on the bottom. They're kind of cool. Maybe I'll add some motion elements. That'd be a good idea. Yeah, I'm just trying to see what's out there, see different looks, and then being able to take those different concepts and then build upon what's the final is going to look like. Now, whenever I reference other content that's not my own, I'm looking forward to having maybe shrinking the video down and having some subtle motion elements in the background just to make it a little more interesting to look at. Now here is some lines, just a sample now, but I think some geometric shapes that are moving slightly, whether it be like scale rotation, might be kind of cool just to look at, as because they're only up for a few seconds, so whatever makes the clip more exciting to look at. But yeah, having the text align with the video might be nice, and then crediting the author, whoever it is. Another look, having these lines, for example, that we saw up earlier, and then again having some consistent branding overall. But these colors could also play with whichever specific video it would be, like the red I have for gaming, for example, and then the blue I have for technology. So maybe working around those little themings a little bit more. Now we do have some lower thirds. As you can see, maybe making some funny titles. I am a cat dad. Hopefully I will show it to the camera one day, or maybe make a video. I do have one fun video planned out that I think could be kind of fun, but that's for the future after we get all this thing's done. But yeah, I think having some consistent looks of implementing those colors, and then maybe some more simplistic lower thirds, nothing too crazy. I think some subtle animations to get them on screen would be kind of cool. Basically just make them videos more dynamic. I always want to be improving each video. I think over the last few videos, for example, this is slightly off topic, but I feel like I've added some slightly new or improving on some slightly different aspect of the video, whether it be animations or designing some graphics. But yeah, I think overall, I think I'm going a good direction I'm going in, and I'm really excited to be able to implement some of these new ideas that I'm having, and overall getting a consistent theme, because right now it's been a little bit loose on what I've been doing. But this video series overall is for me, just from a lot of it's for you guys, but also for me to see how I'm progressing through my designs for myself, because I am my own worst critic, and being able to basically look upon that as a reflection as we move forward. But yeah, we have a couple more sections right here. I don't know what these are called really. I'm calling these like tile slides for now, but yeah, just trying to work around with some different design work, playing around with the white space, inverting colors, seeing how that works out. I don't want to be pigeonholed into doing something so specific, because certain color combinations don't work, but being able to flip things be kind of cool. I think adding the text in, well, for example, this text is rock grotesque. It's one of my, I don't know if it's my favorite type, but I definitely do enjoy using it a lot. It's very versatile with how many different styles it has, and I think it's overall can help me a lot when it comes to being able to create a lot of different type design work. And I like the look so far, but I think I might go forward with this. This is more of just a placeholder now, but I think I might move forward with this for future videos. But yeah, some more simplistic, playful, I would say, start of the designs. I think I might continue this look as we're going forward. These colors are for the most part locked in, but we're going to be going forward with some of the more intricate videos in the next few weeks. Those are more planned out. It's not me just rambling into a camera. I need to actually write out a script, but yeah, looking forward to those. And then the last part we're going to be looking at is some of the assets and textures. I have some cool grain and noise, and then some kind of halftone I like. I think there's a little pixelated effects. I think a lot of these I could see working a lot, whether it be in like lower thirds, the tile slides, the reference videos I make in the background. I think a lot of these can play really well with certain motion elements as well. I like some of the different basically styles. Like this one's more halftone, and then cutouts of real life objects. I think that could play well with maybe some of the music, not music videos, but music video essays, I would say, of certain artists I want to cover. But I think some of these can play really well with some of those aspects. And then we have some more basic shapes that could work as well, and then some like 3D-ish, but then also some more simplistic shapes as well. These can also go well with a lot of different things. And yeah, I think we have a really good start right here with these elements and the one I discussed above. Within the next episode, really just honing down on some of the categories I want to cover, and then maybe some colors that are associated with that. We also have a lot of different things we can go over. This is just like a sample of what's is to come on the channel, but I also need to expand a little bit more on some of the different things I need to make the videos I want to make. But yeah, really just next video, holding these down, getting consistent looks, finalizing a little bit more, and being able to move forward, because don't want to get stuck on this project forever. This is only meant to really jumpstart my branding for this channel, and I think it's important to really just pick something and just go with it, and then fix it later if needed. But I think dwelling on different colors for months on end is just not worth it, in my opinion. I think it's important just to make a decision, move on, and then reflect on later or change if you need to. But yeah. So I feel like these videos are a great reference for myself on my overall progress for this channel when it comes to my branding and improving on different aspects of it for myself, because I am my own worst critic. So I really think it's a good experience to be able to see visually, video by video, what my thought process is, where I'm going with this channel at a certain time when it comes to different artistic choices. And I'm really looking forward to what the future holds over the next few weeks. And I'm really excited to show you guys over those coming weeks of what's really going to be happening with the stylistic changes that I'm going to be making, and then hopefully implementing them into future and more high quality videos. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.